If you work with hundreds of files every day, renaming them one by one can quickly become frustrating and time-consuming. Whether you're organizing photos, documents, videos, or downloads, bulk file renaming tools can help you rename hundreds or even thousands of files in seconds. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 file renamers for Windows 11 that make file organization faster and much more efficient. Let's start with the first one, Easy File Renamer. Easy File Renamer is designed to simplify bulk file renaming with an easy interface and powerful rules. Once you download the app, it's a simple 3-step process. Add your files. Once you've chosen your files, move on to step number 2, where you select the rules. You can choose a new name for your file, remove text, replace text, trim text, add a prefix or a suffix. You can number them, you can swap them, you can add a lowercase, uppercase. For these 2 files, I want to replace the text. So I've written my rule. After you have defined the rule, don't forget to add it. Once you add it, you can see the current name and also the new name. If you're satisfied with your new name of your file, just move ahead to step 3 and rename it. And here you go, that's how easy it was. Second is Advanced Renamer. It's a really popular batch file renaming tool available for Windows. It allows you to rename multiple files and folders using different methods such as adding text, replacing words, changing case, or generating completely new names. Third is Microsoft Power Rename or Power Toys. It allows users to rename large groups of files using search and replace, and you can even preview the files before applying the changes. It works inside File Explorer, so it's a very convenient option for Windows users who want a quick renaming solution without opening additional software. Fourth is Bulk Renamer X. It's a modern batch renaming tool designed for speed and simplicity. It supports multiple renaming rules such as replacing text, numbering files, and applying patterns to large batches of files. And lastly is File Renamer X. It's a powerful file renaming utility that offers multiple rename actions and allows users to preview changes before applying them. The software supports drag and drop file selection, reusable renaming templates, and sorting options to help manage large batches of files efficiently.